I'm Jonathan, product engineer with LexisNexis. Over the past 10 years, I've worked with all types of law firms. From sole practitioners to 100 attorney firms here in the US, firms internationally, working with attorneys in almost every practice area. One common thread has been the need to share documents outside of the firm, to a client, to opposing counsel. Obviously, sending by email is one common way people will do this. A lot of firms are looking into services like Dropbox, but they're realizing that they have a lot of risks associated with them, the biggest one being security. Who has access to the document and what can they do with it? Time Matters offers something better, a more secure way to share documents with an integration with Watchdocs. Let's check it out.
Document sharing in Time Matters is extremely easy. Once you've enabled, you simply open a case, select a document or documents, then click Share. You'll specify who you're going to share it with, and down here is where you'll set who has access to it, how they can access, and for how long. Once you're done, click the Share Documents. Now the person will receive an email that has a link to the shared document in it. Looks like this. They'll click it, and once they've logged in, they'll be able to view it online or download it, depending on how it's been shared. They'll also have access to a list of any or all documents that have been shared to them. Now back in the firm, you have complete control over the documents that you've been shared. Click on the Manage Shared Documents, and it will take you to a list of any documents that's been shared, give you details, tracking information, and also give you the option to set and change any of the permissions.
With Time Matters secure file sharing, you'll not only protect your firm and save money, but you'll also improve client service and get a competitive advantage.